Not going to the details no, of what will be the testimony of the subsequent witnesses, but it's been stated in our pre-trial brief that we'll be presenting witnesses who will talk about the investigation conducted by the NBI no, in relation to the threats issued by the Vice President against the President, the First Lady, and the former Speaker of the House.
I asked the question po kasi because during the hearing of the House Justice Committee in April, NBI said na may lead na sila dun sa alleged hitman. So may development na po nito?
Yes, so again, let's wait for the testimony of Director Matibag and the other regional director of the NBI.
Yun po ba ang significance ng pagharap po ni Attorney Jeremy Lotok sa Monday?
Again, they will be testifying about the investigation conducted by the NBA in relation to this. But I hope you understand. I understand the frustration, no, but because of the sub judice rule, we cannot talk about matters which were not yet discussed in the impeachment proceedings. That's why, we're begging for your patience at this time. So pag nailatag na ho yan, naupo na yung mga witnesses namin, pwede ho natin pag-usapan ulit.
Last na lang. So may pasabog next week.
Meron ho kaming matibay na ebidensya na ilalabas no, sa susunod na linggo.